Good morning guys. Today it's Saturday. Happy Saturday sa lahat. At sa lahat na may birthday, happy birthday din sa lahat. So mag-check muna tayo ng ating mga comments. Okay, sa mga nag-comments sa ating module. Okay, so ito yung Dare to Dream. Okay, meron tayong SWAT Alliance. Okay, DPS Module 1, Batch 3 na po tayo. So ito yung first day natin is Dare to Dream. So meron dito comment below, nasa 140 na po yung nakasin nito. At yung comments niya na marami na rin. Okay, lahat ng member ng Batch 3 kailangan dapat mag-comment dito. So magbabasa tayo ng ilan mga comments. Okay, so ito si Nobelin Bobila. Okay, background security guard. Sponsor niya si Ma'am Jen Pasian. Shoutout sa iyo Ma'am Jen from Baguio. Okay, why she's doing empower consumerism is bukod sa globally competitive products, pwede gawin siya sa oras na available ka. Okay, so ang trending ngayon is do online anywhere. Okay, yan ang online yun, kahit saan pwede mong gawin ang negosyo basta meron kang internet connection saka mobile. Okay, ito naman kay Habibiko Diosa. Ang name niya Bugas Diosa M. Background nursing assistant, caregiver din siya. Ang sponsor niya is Sir Dulay. Okay, Sir Peter Dulay. Why doing easy is to fulfill my dreams. Okay, sabi niya. Okay, ang short term goal niya is additional income monthly at least 50,000. Okay, maganda-ganda yan. Midterm goal is I want to build up my training center soon. Wow, at least kalating milyon mahigit. Okay, long term goal is yes of course mahit ang 1 million. Okay, yun ang gusto niya. So basa naman tayo. Ito yung last comment. Okay, si Sir Romel Takda. Okay, background construction worker, sponsor Chrissy, si Ma'am Chrissy. Okay, why doing easy? Gusto ko mabigyan ng magandang buhay ang pamilya ko. Short term goal, gusto ko kumita ng 1M. Mid term, gusto ko magkaroon ng house and lot, magkaroon ng sariling bahay at lupa. Long term, mahit ang first million, yung si maybe mahit yung per 10 million. Okay, so magbabasa pa tayo ng ilang pa, yung ibang comment pa. Okay, thank you so much. You're the owner here?
Yep.
Oh, nice to meet you, sir.
Thank you.
Baby, your french fries is ready. Come here and eat. If you want drink, if you want water, there is in the car.
Already?
Yeah. Okay. By the way, nandito nga pala tayo sa Muharraq. Okay, nandito tayo sa isang coffee shop, bar. Okay, ito po yung mga view natin.
Where's the tissue?
Yeah. Ask some tissue from the lady. You can ask. Ask there. You go there and ask. Can I have some tissue, please?
No, I'm so scared.
Okay, I will ask for you. Hey, here, baby, here. Thank you. Oh.
The tissue for the ketchup.
Okay. And ito pala ang baby ko. Ayan, kasama ko.
It's time to eat.
We have already. We take from the car.
No, that's all right.
It's okay.
They're eating.
Okay, thank you. Okay, I understand. That's coffee, That's hot.
No, I put it here so they cannot blow.
Okay. Andito nga pala tayo. Wait lang, buksan ko lang tong...
No, I'm gonna open.
You gonna open? Okay. So, ayun guys. Back to basic muna tayo. Ito, inom tayong green tea. Okay? Mainit. Si baby ko, ayan. So magbasa na ulit tayo ng mga comments nila. Okay, ito naman pala yung sa akin. Okay, so my name is Jason. Okay, ang background ko is
and
OFW.
Also my name is Colleen.
And ang sponsor is si Kristen Angelica Pancho. Under din siya ni Sir Cabonce, Engineer Ken. Okay, kumpare ko yan. So Ang sabi ko rito, why I'm doing easy, okay, para sa great future ng family ko. And short term to hit my first million, mid-term to buy cars with this, okay, and get free travels around the world from Empower Consumerism with my family. Long term to have a brand new house and lot worth of 30 million pesos only. Okay. Ito naman kay Ma'am Angelina Umali Cruz.
This one?
Sure. Just hold on please. Yan, pakibasa na lang po kung gusto niyo magbasa-basa. So, kay Ma'am Angelina Umali Cruz.
Together.
OFW from Rome, Italy. Okay? Ang sponsor niya is Sir Elmer Cuyugan. Okay? Ang sabi niya man dito, why doing easy? The best priority is easy helping for all kinds of diseases and control coronavirus infection. Nakakatulong na kumita ka pa. More and more power. Okay? And this one, Annalisa Cruz. Okay, Abarillo. Background online business. Wow, online business talaga siya. Why doing Empower? Gusto mabigyan ng magandang kinabukasan ng aking mga anak at makapagtapos sila ng pag-aaral. Short term, gusto kumita ng first million. Long term, gusto magkaroon ng bahay at kotse. And makapag-travel all over the world at magkaroon ng mas malaki at marami pang business. Okay? More power, easy. So, ayun guys. So, iba-ibang ano sila, iba-ibang profession, okay? May sales associate, may OFW, may housewife, may construction, may employed, okay? Iba-iba po. So, yun guys. So, sana po is karoon kayo dito ng konting kaalaman sa first day natin, okay? To get your dreams. Maraming